Alright everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a long time since I've done a video like this. So we got something special going on today with my FRS. We're going to be going full E85. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm kind of excited at the same time. We're going to see how it goes. There she blows. Update. Got the fog lights put in last night. I didn't record anything. That. I'll forget about the new tail lights that we have. So we're gonna be going full 85. I'll see you guys at the gas station. My best. I officially just filled up on E85, 11.722 gallons, $27. Wasn't too bad. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna do the retune on it. See how it goes. A little bit nervous, just a little bit. We're gonna do stage 2 E85. Bang. Bang, dog. Sheesh. Bang G, I can't wait. It's preparing to write. God dang it. I forgot. Alright, there we go. I got it. I had to turn it off and turn it back on because it didn't like it at all. So this thing's gonna take about 5 minutes to do. About 1 second for you guys. Alright, almost at that point where we are nearly done. Turn ignition power off. Turn it all the way off. What up, G?
What's up, man?
What's going down?
You get it?
Get what?
Done?
Yeah, it's done. Yep, it smells like straight corn. Oh yeah. I bought my gallon so I can keep in the back for when I go out of town. So far, I drove 7 miles and the needle hasn't moved at all. So it should be pretty decent. I put 11 gallons of it in. Almost 12. $2.30. No, that's not bad at all. I mean, I was paying $3.50, $3.60 for premium. So I mean, I'd take filling up for $25 over filling up for $40 all day long. Let me hear something. I like it, bro. Just doing not much, checking out the bottom side of the whip. Looks like he scraped a few things lately. Oh yeah. Check out that bag. Bag life. Changing out the royal. There ain't no metal shavings in there. Well, there shouldn't be. He only drives the car 25 miles per hour. Ain't that something? A little like JDM piece that you can put on these cars. It's like a little JDM part. You guys gotta follow them. Battle game. Can you smell E85?